So we'll be like, right, do you want to go see where mum and dad are? And they're like, oh, I want to go see. But sometimes they're like, nah, I don't want to see them ever again. And you're like, yes, you do, because they're your parents. Now come back in. And they're like, no, I'm playing now. This is my new life. And you're like, get back in there now, because they love you and you're gonna make them feel sad. So that's great news for us. That means that they love being with us, which is great, but they need to love their parents too, so get back in there. So then we take them back into the reception and they're like, oh my god, mum and dad are still here for me and they still love me and this is the best.